everything, the snail, the fish, the periwinkle, meat, everything you want, stockfish. And this is come with sauce. Anything I'm adding from now has to be hot water, so that it's time for me to add the blended okra. Don't like palm oil too much. Blended okra that will make it slime very well. You know, if you want your soup to last longer and slime well, you have to blend a little okra. We're adding more pepper. The fresh pepper I added is not enough, and I don't have blended pepper again, so I'll be adding the catfish. Just want to be a little bit extra in the soup. I use beef and I'm not a beef person, so added catfish because I love fish. So I have to cover. Yeah. I'll be adding onions so that it will cook before I add the big okra, the big chopped okra, bigger sizes. I love onions in my okra soup. Everyone loves it anyway. This is how I make a delicious pot of okra soup for my farm. See how it's looking. See how it's blowing, boiling, super. So I'll be adding the big chopped okra. I'll be adding periwinkle. Lots of periwinkle. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? Forget to. I know how to cook. I'm a good cook. I don't even know where to go. At this point, for me to put the leaf, we call this leaf Uzuza leaf. Uzuza leaf. Just little sprinkle of it. I want more of the okra than the Uzuza leaf. This is this delicious and healthy soup you can make for your loved ones. It's very easy to make. Just chop your okra and you're good to go. It's time for me to taste the soup, whether there's a This is how I prepare this delicious plate of okra soup. It looks so attractive, right?